Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Wikström. I am Professor of Computational Communication at QUT in Brisbane. I'm here to talk about how a research project worked together with the Australian Internet Observatory to pilot the data donation capabilities. We focus on TikTok broadly and Australian experiences of algorithmic culture on TikTok, and we focus on platforms and audiences and creators. So the data donation component sits in the audience stream. I will dive into some of the complexities that we have faced in this project, starting out with the recruitment. So in our case, we worked with a range of different recruitment methods, and the most successful one was with ABC. We were able to recruit most of our participants, probably something like 80% of our participants came through this collaboration with ABC, and the fact that they use their channels to promote the project and the opportunity to be a citizen scientist, as we framed it in this campaign. Once the participants have been enticed to go to the project website, we have a welcome message where we explain why they should participate, and then there are instructions for how to request the data from the TikTok platform. Eventually, they have received the data from the platform, and this is where they are able to use the AIO data donation capability to choose which items. As you can see here, they scroll through the items in the package to select which ones they don't want to share. So once they're happy with the selection that they've made, they provide some demographic data and they share the data with the team. This is where we in the For You project leave the AIO infrastructure, and we provide the user with an immediate reward with some light-hearted visualizations to show them what can be interpreted from their data without any additional complementary data. So we show them that they are a certain persona, that they are a quiet, curious, sampling morning person, and so on and so forth. And we received very good feedback from our participants that they really like this kind of approach. However, we only get so far with this data. So we need to complement the data. And this is a decision that has been made when we designed the data donation facility within the AIO, that the observatory only collect the data donation packages and do not enrich the data beyond what is received from the platform. So what we do in the project and what other projects will be doing in the future is to complement the TDP data with other things. What we're doing is that we scrape complementary data from the platform, and we also have developed a system for annotating the media objects and the metadata at scale. Finally, we recognize that this is not a large population-based study. This is an in-depth approach, and interviews and qualitative studies are very important in order to make sense of the experiences that we record in the data donation packages. So we conduct in-depth interviews with the good people who are participating in our study. So that is all that fits into my 5 minutes. I hope that was useful. And if you have any questions related to this, please get in touch with me or anyone else in the team. Thank you so much.